This is Luke Skywalker lightsaber. This is the saber he inherited from Anakin. You know, the one used for slaughtering some people and Jedi kids. Maybe? Corrosion, dirty, rusty. Lovely. Even the button is not working, so I think I have to check the electronics. Yep, more corroded than sober bender. This piece seems glued and blocks the hilt from opening. I'll try to unstick it by heating. Air dryer only gets to 70 degrees. I need something stronger, so... This is my German friend, always ready to incinerate those he doesn't like. Still stuck. If I move it, I'll deform. I already deform a bit. If I can't burn it, I can cut it. Well, actually, Obi-Wan did both of these to the last lightsaber owner. This one goes, and this goes. Oh. I need to clean all of this before test it. Loose wires everywhere. I have to solder them. It works. But it should vibrate when hit. Looks like the motor's dead. Luckily, I have a replace for this motor from a toy, if you know what I mean. Alright, let's put it back together. And nope, when I try to close it, it's stopping working. After resolving everything 56 million times, every time I try to close it, it just stopped working. In some point, I think I killed the diode. Don't ask me how, I don't know, it just happened. See this? The diodes are supposed to give continuity in only one direction. Also, it's not providing enough voltage. Actually, I got no idea about electronics. I'm just asking ChatGPT, so if you know better how to fix this, please let me know in the comments. Now let's wait a couple of weeks for the diode. I'm checking the videos and should be something like this. I think this should not happen. Actually, I have no idea. Whatever, I'm gonna try. No, it's not working. After spending way too long trying more things, here we are. I didn't manage to fix it. My knowledge of electronics is about as low as the white blood cell counts of, well, someone who really should not escape chemo. If any of you think you can fix this mess, leave a comment and lend me a hand. Or even if you are feeling particularly brave, I can sell it to you. Just cover half of the shipping and promise to me to send me some footage of the process so I can do an update later. That's it for today. Sometimes shit happens. This is life. Welcome to Build to Fail.